Hello everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. I am Shakira.
And I am Moon. Today we are taking you on a journey not to a real airport but to an English conversation at the airport.
That's right. Imagine you are traveling, you need English to check in, pass security, and find your gate. Don't worry, you will make it fun and easy. Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Great. Please place it on the scale.
Oh no, I hope it's not too heavy. Last time I had to pay extra.
I know that pain. Okay, your bag is fine. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is A12.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please. Also remove laptops and liquids from your bag.
Got it. Wow, traveling is like a workout.
Yes, you're almost ready to fly. Attention! Passengers for Flight 102 to London. Boarding will begin shortly at gate A12.
That's me. Let's go, Shakira.
Don't forget your passport and boarding pass. What about you, dear listeners? Have you ever traveled by plane?
What's the first English sentence you would use at the airport? Tell us in the comments below. Today we learn airport English, check-in, security and boarding. Easy and fun, right?
Yes, remember these phrases and next time you travel, you will sound confident. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more English conversations with us.